Alright, so we got a rainstorm coming in, but I put a new front end in on my Jeep. You can see it right here. It's actually really nice looking, and I bought LEDs, but they don't work. So, I got the new ones. Let's put them in. Unscrew these screws. If I even can. Now the top one. Pop it out. You have to twist and pop this little connector out of the bottom of it. Couldn't show it because I need two hands. And then take the bulb out. Open the package for the new bulbs. One-handed, so this is hard. But I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I'd, make one for you guys. There we go. Take one out. Up. And just pop it in. There we go. Why is it not on? God damn it. I had to flip it around, but I got it to work. I gotta reverse this process because it's starting to rain, but I'll do that off camera. Right, now it's raining, so we'll do that one when it stops. Watch out, Jack. Oh, come on. Alright, now let's pop this one out. Let it stop raining. This top one. Now the bottom one. Put out. Let's try and set this down and show you how to do this. There we go. See it? Twist. Twist back and forth and pull. Now let's go grab the other light. Now we're going to take this, if it'll focus, and pop it right in. Oh. Pop it right in. There we go. Now let's see if it works. No, you guys can't see that. Okay. Nope. Let's flip it around. And it works. Pop this back in here the same way we took it out. Oh, it's hard to do one-handed. Oh, there we go. Now, yeah. That in. I don't want to break it. Hang on. Slide it back in. Start the screw. Line it back up. There we go. Same with the bottom. Screw in. Now the top one. Let's check one last time that they work. That one's on. And that one's on. Awesome. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. It's getting really hot out here. Kind of want to go inside, but you know what? There's a lot of updates I gotta do on my Jeep, so I gotta do those first. Only the best for y'all.